Problems solved based on trigonometric ratios. Important to be learnt. So I have selected one sum. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter. BC 7 centimeters. Determine sin A, cos A. Sin C, cos C. First, we'll start with a triangle. Triangle ABC. ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. Therefore, angle B is 90 degree. AB 24 centimeter. BC 7 centimeters. I need to find AC. For this, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the remaining two sides of the triangle containing right angle. AC square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. AC square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. AC square is equal to 24 square is 576 plus 49. AC square is equal to 625. AC square is equal to 625. AC is equal to square root of 625. AC is equal to 25. So the value of AC is 25 centimeter. Now we'll see and solve first question. What is first question? We have to find the value of sin A and cos A. First question. I have to find sin A and cos A. Sin A. Second question is cos A. For this, I'll select this triangle. With reference to the same triangle, you have to do it. A, B, C. Okay, 90 degree. This is 7 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter. Now with reference to A, because it is sin A, so with reference to acute angle A, this is adjacent side. AB is adjacent side. BC is opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So now we can find both the answers. Sin A. Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side BC. Hypotenuse AC. So opposite side BC is 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 25. So we got sin A is equal to 7 by 25. Now we will find cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB. The side associated with reference to acute angle is adjacent side. So AB is adjacent side. AC is hypotenuse. So AB is 24. Hypotenuse is 25. So we got the value of cos A. Now we will find the value. Second question. The value of sin C, cos C. We have to find the value of sin C, cos C. Sin C, and I have to find the value of cos C. Again I need the help of the triangle. So here the sides are with reference to C. BC is adjacent side. AB is opposite side. AC is hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 7 centimeter. Opposite side is 24 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Now first sin C. What is sin C? We know that sin C means opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB. Hypotenuse AC. So 24 by 25 centimeter. Next we will see cos C. Cos C, adjacent side is BC, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. What is BC? 7 centimeter. What is AC? 25 centimeter. So cos C is 7 by 25. So using the trigonometric ratios, we found sin A 7 by 25, cos A 24 by 25, sin C 24 by 25, cos C 7 by 25. Now one more sum we have selected. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, first will solve sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse is equal to 3 by 4. So we need a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle A, B, C. Now sin A. So with reference to angle A, this is adjacent side. This is opposite side. AC is hypotenuse. So opposite side means 3 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 4 centimeter. Now I have to find AB. Again I have to use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So according to Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse AC square is equal to sum of the squares on the remaining two sides of the triangle. That is AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So what is AC square? 4 square. What is AB square? I have to find it. What is BC square? BC square is 3 centimeters. So 3 square. 4 square is 16. AB square. 3 square is 9. Shift 9. Okay. 16 minus 9 is equal to AB square. Therefore, AB square is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. AB is equal to root 7. AB is equal to root 7. So I got the value of AB as root 7. Okay. AB value as root 7. 16, shift this 9, 16 minus 9, it will become 7. If you want AB square, you have to take the square root of AB. That is square root of 7. So AB is equal to root 7. That is how I got AB root 7. Hypotenuse 4 cm is already given. BC is 3 centimeters. Now, we will find cos A. Okay, we are finding cos A. Cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? What is adjacent side? AB. Hypotenuse AC. Therefore, cos A is equal to AB is root 7. AC is 4. Cos A value is root 7 by 4. Second is tan A. Tan A ratio is, what is tan A? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite is BC. Adjacent is AB. So BC by AB. Tan A is equal to, what is BC? You can notice BC is 3 centimeter. AB is root 7 centimeter. So BC is 3 centimeter. AB is root 7. So tan A is equal to 3 by root 7. Cos A I got root 7 by 4. Tan A I got 3 by root 7. So if you remember the ratios of cos, tan, sin, then it is very easy to find the values of cos A, tan A with reference to right angle triangle with the measurements of all the three sides of the right angle triangle. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. So we'll take the reference of one right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Because in the question it is told cot A. So the acute angle is angle A. Okay. First we'll take this. What is that? 15 cot A is equal to 8. Therefore, what you can say? Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. What is cot A ratio? Cot A is equal to, we know that it is adjacent side by opposite. Cot A is adjacent side by opposite. What is adjacent side? 8. What is opposite side? 15. So according to this triangle, the side associated with the given acute angle is called adjacent side. The side opposite to acute angle is called as opposite side. Adjacent side is 8 centimeter. Opposite side is 15 centimeter. Now definitely I have to find AC. I have to find AC. Now in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is acute angle. Therefore, what I can write? Square on the hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the remaining two sides of the triangle which contain the right angle. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, what is AB square? 8 square. What is BC square? 15 square. AB square is 8 square, BC square is 15 square. So AC square is equal to 64 plus 15 square is equal to 225 is equal to 5 plus 4, 9, 6, 7, 8, 289. Now I want AC. AC means square root of 289. So square root of 289 is 17. So I got AC is equal to 17 centimeter. We got AC is equal to 17 centimeter. So AC is 17 centimeter. Now we will find sin A and secant A. Now the first question is sin A. Sin A means what? Sin A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite? BC is opposite. AC is hypotenuse. So BC by AC. What is BC? BC is 15 centimeter. What is AC? 17 centimeter. So sin A is 15 by 17. Now second question is secant A. What is secant A? Secant A. Second question is secant A. What is secant A? Secant A is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypotenuse? We know AC. What is adjacent? AB. See here, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is AB. So what is AC? AC is 17 centimeter. What is adjacent side? 8 centimeter. So secant A is equal to 17 by 8. One more sum. Given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All the 6 trigonometric ratios we have to calculate. So first we will take what is given to us. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Secant ratio is hypotenuse by adjacent. In the given triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Angle A is acute angle. So therefore, hypotenuse AC is 13 centimeter. Adjacent side AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have to find BC. Use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle A is acute angle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse AC square is equal to sum of the squares on the remaining two sides AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 13 square is equal to 12 square plus BC square. AC is 13, AB is 12. 13 square is 169. 12 square, 12 12s are 144. Shift 144. 169 minus 144 gives you 25 is equal to BC square. Therefore, if you want BC, take the square root of 25. That is 5. So, therefore, I got opposite side as 5 centimeter. Okay. So, now I have to find all the 6 trigonometric ratios. So, I am taking the right angle triangle here. I am writing once again. Acute angle is A. So, adjacent is 12. Opposite is 5. Hypotenuse is 13. You have to remember all these 6 ratios which is already discussed with you. Okay. So, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite? BC. Which is hypotenuse? AC. What is BC? 5. What is AC? 13. This is 13. Once again I am writing 5 by 13. Okay. So now what is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? AB. What is hypotenuse? AC. Adjacent is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. You got cos theta. Now I want tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? BC. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is AB. So that means 5 by 12. I got tan theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cosec theta, hypotenuse by opposite. That is AC by BC. 13 by 5. You got cosec theta. Next secant theta, reciprocal of cos theta. That is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here it will become hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent is AB. So 13 by 12. I got secant theta. Now cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So adjacent is AB. Opposite is BC. AB is 12. BC is 5. So, like this, I got cos sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, secant theta and cot theta. All 6 trigonometric ratios values we have found.